Okay, welcome to the point programming languages. I'm gonna talk about different languages that I've learned. It's a good note for myself. Also, maybe it will be useful for other people. This will be the longest video. I will talk about structure. Basically, I'm gonna talk about how to use these functions, how do you use this functionality in this certain language, what's the syntax of it. I'm expecting you know some basic computer science and the programming language. This video is intended for someone who has experience and just wanted to know the syntax of certain language. And I will share my repository on my GitHub on the YouTube so that you can check it and play around with it. If you have a question, please ask in the comment, and I will after writing it tell you this, and I will run it and give you some explanation. And all of them will be really short, to the point, in order to distinguish with some other video that talk about things for 10 minutes. I will just talk you the syntax, the bare bone of stuff, so that you can start with whatever you wanted to do on your project. And yeah, this is